Hello awesome viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to see how we can pin a comment to a YouTube video. So this is one of the most important topics, guys. If you want to have a proper SEO, comment pinned is also a scenario where you can see. For that guys, you have to do a simple thing. You have to click on any video. So I'll click on it. As soon as you click on it, you have to pause this. You don't have to play the ad. Just come down. When you come down, you can see a comment here, right? When you click on the three dots, you can see pin a comment, remove comment, report comment, hide user from the channel. So if I want to pin a comment from the viewer, we can pin the comment, or we can write our own comment. Let's say I'll write, how do you like the video? Let me know in the comments. So let me know in the comments. So I'll click on comment. So I'll get one comment here. What I'll do, I'll click on three dots. I'll pin this comment. So it will ask pin this comment. If you have already pinned the comment, this will replace it. I have not pinned any comment. This is the first pin. So let us click on pin. So it will come like this. So pin by as a technocoder this comment. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.